Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna be surfing on Christmas, dude.
Dude, we have to.
It's
We
gonna
have
be
to.
so
Yeah,
awesome.
yeah, yeah.
Just for the fact that I said I surfed on Christmas.
He even took the pause. He was like, just for the fact that I surfed on Christmas.
Made it really
I should have looked at the camera.
I did.
Oh,
So it was great.
Good work.
I
Good
did
work.
it.
So what can fans expect to see when they come to see you guys live?
They can expect
Awesomeness.
Another
Nah, not gonna happen. Not gonna happen.
You guys must be family or something.
Some people think we're related. I don't know why.
Oh, yes,
That was the best one. But
That was good.
That was a good one.
Wow, he's gonna cry. He's gonna cry. She's like, that was the dumbest joke I've ever made.
Ross, cover your face. You have a laugh face right now.
Cover, hey, put the pillow in front of me.
Right now. Are you okay? Do we need to get you some water? He literally is crying.
I didn't find it that funny. I don't even remember what you said. What did she say?
I don't know.
He's crying. A little tear.
Can we zoom in on the
We
tears,
need a close up.
please?
We need a close up.
Right here.
I knew I wasn't the only one.
They're crying. They're both crying.
I cry when I laugh
I
hard.
think this is the first time I brought an entire group of people I'm interviewing to tears, but I'm really glad that it's out of laughter. No, I'm not.
Most amazing thing, and just and being on stage with my best friends in the whole world, like.
And these people come to watch us do what we love, so it's really like it's a spectacular thing, to just kind of like almost like as we got older, our music did as well, and our sound developed and
albums.
Yeah.
Very cool. Well, you guys, thanks for coming in. This has
Thanks
been a literal, we laughed, we cried. we with us right here on Clevver TV for all the latest on R5. And of course, click the link below for details on their tour dates coming to a city near you, I hope. I'm Jocelyn Davis with R5, and we'll see you next time.
Bye. Peace.